Hello, my beautiful fart faces. Today we are going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. It is of PERYTON. I don't know how to say it. I hope that I'm saying it right. By Katy Lipscomb, and it's a square diamond painting that measures 56 by 84 centimeters, so quite a big one. This diamond painting was a gift from Debi Rice. Thank you so much, Debbie. It was a Christmas gift from her. She tricked me. She asked Abigail to ask me what diamond painting I've been wanting, and I told Abigail, like, oh, I've been looking at these, and PERYTON was one of them, and she surprised me with it. Debbie, you are so sweet. Kate, you hold on to the canvas. It comes with a sticker, so you can put that on your logbook, on your box, whatever you want to do. I'm going to put it on the box right now before I forget. So put it on the box so that when I store it, I know which kit is inside. You get your diamond painting kit, toolkit. It has, oh my goodness. It has a whole crap ton of baggies and diamond painting wax, tweezers, a pen, a squishy, and there's a multi-placer. There's a 4-placer inside of the kit, but I'm not going to bother taking that out because hopefully you know what a 4-placer looks like. I really like the DAC toolkits because they do come with that 4-placer. It is a common one that I do use, and it comes wrapped in plastic so it doesn't get wrecked, and I just rip the plastic, so that's not good. Whatever. Then we have our drills. We have tips and tricks on how to diamond paint, and there's also a gift, or not a gift card, there's also a code in here to save some money. And then here is the sticker sheet. So these are all pre-cut, so you can just lift these up and put them on the bags if you kit up by baggies, or you can put them on your plastic boxes if you kit up that way. And again, PERYTON by Katy Lipscomb. There's this better thumbnail. Isn't he adorable? What is he? Is PERYTON an animal, or is it just the name of this painting? It's square, again, 56 by 84 centimeters. He's like a reindeer, unicorn, no, reindeer bird. A bird reindeer. I don't know. This is the canvas. Oh my goodness. It's too big. It's too big that I can't fit it in frame. That's what she said, I think. On the left-hand corner, you have your schematic. On the bottom right-hand corner, you also have your schematic. There is social media for Diamond Art Club, and there's a code again for 10% off. And their guarantee, lifetime guarantee. And at the top it says, do what makes you sparkle. This is gorgeous. I love this. Like, I knew that I would love this by the looks of just like the thumbnail or the image that I saw on their website, but thank you so much, Debbie. Seriously, thank you for getting this for me. This is beautiful. Look how adorable he is. I love it so much. Is he like, he's like a bird, but a wolf bird, a wolf reindeer bird. Wow, I love the details and like the hooves. I love his face. Let's take a close-up. There's a drill field for you. With Diamond Art Clubs, I rarely ever, I don't think I've ever seen an issue with their symbols. Everything's very clear. There's color blocking, some confetti-ish areas, but mostly color blocking. Wow, this is so cute. I love the detail in the background too, like the planets or the moon or whatever. Like, that's just gorgeous. I love this canvas so much. I think it's so beautiful. I can't fit it all in the frame, sorry. But yeah, let's take a look at the schematic. So here's the schematic, or the legend, whatever you want to call it. We have 53 colors, and at the top here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ABs. So anything with Diamond Art Club under 150 for DMC color code is going to be an Aurora Borealis diamond painting. Aurora, I can't even say Aurora. I don't know what's wrong with me. Aurora Borealis drill or bead. Yeah, so there's 4 of them. Let's take a look at the drills and we'll see if we can pick them out. Right off the bat, we have, which drill is this? This is 141. It's a very nice white AB. Then we have, what else do we have in here? Oh, there's 2 bags of that white AB. So that's awesome. That's a lot of white AB for this kit. And then we have pink. And you can see the special coating it has. And this is 128 AB. It's 2 of them. Ding, ding, ding. Ooh, we have a blue AB. And that's 101. And then we have our last AB, which is this orangish color. And that is 132. Very pretty. I like the ABs. I really like all the white. I'm guessing that all the outline of the animal is going to be in AB. That's just me guessing. Let's take a look. So our first AB is going to be a light blue color. So anywhere you see this light blue, so along here, 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 some in the planets, that's going to be an AB down here. Number 2 is 128, which is that pinkish AB. So down here, throughout here, and here, here, anywhere where there's that light pink color, you'll see it. So like even here, here, etc. And then 3 is that orangey AB, which is here, all along, like, is this feathers? I don't know if that's feathers or what that is, but all along that, all along the wings. And yeah, I think that's it. So just like all in this section here. Then AB4, symbol 4 is going to be, I was right. The whole outline of this animal. Let's show you guys the whole outline of the animal. Is it a PERYTON or is that just the name of the piece of artwork? Is PERYTON an animal, a mystical animal? All this white outline you see on this whole entire animal, it's going to be that white AB, plus some white down here and white in the sky, like the stars and stuff like that. Those are going to be ABs as well. So what do you guys think of this kit? I'm curious to hear your opinions. Do you have this diamond painting kit? Is this on your wish list? I believe it is currently on clearance on the Diamond Art Club website. I'll put a link to it down below. And if this is your first purchase from Diamond Art Club, I do have a referral link. And in exchange, if you would get, I believe, 10% off your first diamond painting, 15% off, something like that. And I would get loyalty points if you use my code. So I would appreciate it if you use my code. If not, not a big deal. If you are new here, you made it this far, and this video was helpful to you, I'd love it if you hit the subscribe button. Just gently tap it right here, right there. Hit the red subscribe button and you'll be subscribed. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which I do on an almost daily basis. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!